Breaking news now overnight on the coronavirus. There are several new developments that we need to catch up on right now.
The first is that a U.S. soldier has tested positive for the virus in South Korea. He's being quarantined at an off-base home. Meanwhile, South Korea has announced 115 more cases, raising the total to about 1,300 in China. There are 406 new cases and 52 deaths, and the death toll has gone up to 19 now in Iran.
The Tokyo Olympics will not be called off, according to a spokesman for the Japanese government. But the International Olympic Committee says it has 3 months to make a decision.
Asian stocks have fallen again this morning following another Wall Street free fall, and the CDC is warning an outbreak could happen in our country.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Eva Zamaris joins us live now in New Haven. Eva, how is the city preparing for the worst case scenario?
Good morning to you both. They're actually going to be holding a drill a little later on today here at the Emergency Operations Center here in New Haven. And this is something that they've done in the past for things like severe weather. Nicole, as you mentioned, they want to be prepared in the event of an emergency. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is sounding the alarm and warning Americans a coronavirus outbreak is coming to the U.S.
We are asking the American public to work with us to prepare in the expectation that this could be bad.
The Trump administration sent Congress an emergency funding request for $2.5 billion to combat the virus. The money would go towards things like buying protective gear and working on new treatments and vaccines. But lawmakers on both sides of the aisle feel that might not be enough.
If you lowball something like this, you'll pay for it later.
There is no plan. The administration has no plan.
Senator Chris Murphy also responded, blasting the Trump administration's response to the coronavirus outbreak. He called this request, quote, too little, too late. Now, as for that drill happening in New Haven, it's happening a little later on today at 12:30 this afternoon. Be sure to stay with us for continuing coverage throughout the day. Live in New Haven this morning, I'm Eva Zamaris, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.